Okay, I'm Chan Junjie. Over here, I'm running two projects. One for Station 4. This first window is for Station 4. The other one, I combine Station 1, Station 2, and 3 in one project. The reason why I'm doing two projects is that I need to confirm myself for simulation that I'm sending the data correctly to the slave station. And over here, I also need to simulate the action when receiving the data from Station 4. So for this recording, I'll keep on switching between these two projects. So at first, without any input, the station 3 is under, the 3 station is under idle condition. You can see over here, S1 is idle, S2, S3 is under the idle condition. And the input signal for S2 and S3 is true. It's true, right? Input signal is true. Okay, start from the other input. Now, user input the two total orders, one for A, one for B. And the station 4 new order will become true when there is a new order. So let me trigger it. Okay. When the order successfully sent to each station, the new order boolean will become false in station 4. But the new order boolean in each station, over here, each station, the new order will not affected by station 4. The slave station needs to force the boolean themselves because station 4 don't know when will they go and read the data. Alright, the new order is true for the 3 station. Okay, so you can see over here station 1 gets the total order of 2, and station 2 gets the 2 total order, 1 for A, 1 for B, and same goes to the station 3. And so when their ladder diagram read the data, they need to force the new order themselves. Alright. Now station 1 gets the order and start working on it. They need to trigger the busy boolean to true. So that in our station 4, we will change the idle condition of station 1 becomes busy and then show in the log rate dashboard. Alright, so station 2 and 3 still remain idle condition because they are still waiting for the first cut from station 1. Okay, let's say the station 1 has finished the first cut. The cut will then pass to station 2 and the total cut down for station 1 increased by 1. Alright, and station 4, the project of station 4 will get this info and show it on the rate. The total cut down is become 1 in station 4. And then after that, station 2 will start working and they will set the busy flag to true. And the not rate will get this info and show it as a busy condition on the dashboard. Another thing, when they receive the cut successfully, they need to set the input signal false so that the station 1 output signal over here will disable and it will stop station 1 to input new cut into the station 2 until station 2 enable back this input signal. Meanwhile, when during station 2 is doing the job, station 1 will start looking for another cut. Let's say station 1 done the second cut, but station 2 is still processing the first cut. Alright, station 1 will need to wait the output signal change to true. Alright, okay. Station 2 finish the first cut and pass it to station 3. At the same time, station 2 need to state the type of the output cut. card, either A or B. So let's say the first card is A. 41 represents the A. And then station 2 also need to change the total card done to 1 and type A to 1 respectively. Alright. So station 4 will then pass the output type of A to station 3. Alright, the station 3 input type becomes 41, which means A type of card. And note rate will also update the number of cards done in dashboard. Alright. Now station 3 receive the input type as A. Yeah. And station 3 will set the busy flag to true to start working, and station 4 will show the busy condition of not rate. Alright. And then which means alright. Then the same thing goes to the fourth input signal. They need to pause the input signal. On the same time, when the card transfer from station 2 to 3, station 2 need to set the input signal back to true. So that the station 1 output signal to enable the second card to transfer to station 2. Alright. So now station 1 has finished the total order of 2, and station 2 has received the second card. So they will start working on the second card, and they will pause the input signal. Over here you can see that the station 1 has already finished all the jobs, so they can pause the busy flag, which means they have finished everything and the station back to the idle condition, and also reset the total card done back to 0. And on the same time, let's say the user has already input another new type of order, new batch of order. Okay, you can see that the total order has already passed it into the station 1, but the S2, station 2 and station 3 is under busy condition, so the station 4 couldn't send the new batch of order into station 2 and 3. Therefore, the new order will still remain true. Alright, new order will force itself, will disable itself when the data is successfully sent through every station. Let's back to station 3. Now station 3 has finished the first card and transfer the card to the finished location. So station 3 need to increase the total card done and type A to 1, and also change the input signal back to true so that it can receive new card from the front station. And the station 2 at the same time will keep on looping to check the state of the output signal. Alright. If the output signal is true, then the station 2 will transfer the second card. Let's say the second card is B. 42 represent B. You can see that the station 3 has received the input type as B, and the same thing, we have to pause the input signal and start looking for the second card. And then on station 2, you can see that it's already done all of the orders, the total orders of 2, one for A, one for B. They have done it, so they can pause the busy flag, reset all the cut done, and then set back the true signal, set everything back. Alright, you can see that when the station is back to idle, the station 4 will immediately input the new batch of order. Alright, and then let's back to station 3. So the station 3 is now looking on the second cut. Let's say they finish the second cut. They're doing the same thing, just increase the B when total cut done. Alright, so over here, station 3 have already finished everything. Alright, the change back to the idle condition and the input signal will set back to true, and they have to reset the cut down. Alright, the same thing. When the station back to the idle condition, the station 4 will send the new batch of order into station 3. Alright, and we look back at here the global data. When the data has sent everything to the 3 station, it will disable the new order itself. Alright, over here is false because the 321 is already sent to the 3 station. Basically, every station will keep on looping on the same process if there are new batch of orders coming in from the user. Here's another condition. When station 3 is under emergency or safety error, then station 4 will change the output signal of S1 and S2 to false, although S1 and S2 will still continue working on the process, but they cannot pass the card to the next station until S3 clear the emergency and safety error. Alright, so I trigger the true error. You can see that the station 1 output signal has changed to false, and also the station 2 output signal. Alright, let's say one of the error is done, is clear, but there is still another one. The safety error haven't cleared. The output signal will not change back to true. They will change back to true when this both error is clear. Alright, the output signal of S1, S2 is back to true. Alright, then the next condition is that when the station 2 has error, it will affect station 1 output signal, but it will not affect the station 3 output signal, as station 3 will still can continue on their process and also keeps on output the card to the final location. But okay, let me try to trigger the true error over here. Alright, this will not affect alright, will not affect, but the station 1 output signal will affected. So the station 1 could not input any new cards into station 2 until it clear all of the error on station 2. Alright, my false one, the output signal is still remain false, but clear all of this error. Alright, you can see that output signal over here that already changed back to true. Alright, another condition says that station 1 have an emergency error. It will not affect the station 2 output signal, and also station 3 will not affect it. Alright, station 2 can still output the card into station 3, and station 3 will still can finish the product and move the finished product to the final location. The process of S2, station 2 and station 3 will still remain. Alright, says I clear the error. Alright. It will set itself the output signal back to true, and the process will back to normal.